$400 per day. Whoa, that's $12,000 per month. Now that is a lot of money to begin with. Think of it this way. You are a student operating your expenses on the $100 given by your parents each month. Things are hard, right? In my youth, I didn't even get $100. But don't worry, young man. We here at Money Capital have brought you a quick and easy solution. Even if you are not a student, stay tuned because Money Capital is all about making money online with easy techniques. Sure, you wouldn't want to miss out on these. So, stay till the end and watch the full video because most people do it wrong and end up benefiting zero cash from this method. How can you earn money from typing online, you ask? Simply put, by writing your name, your friend's name, or just any word that comes to your mind. Take, for example, your name is Diana. You type your name, and boom! Cash flying into your pockets. See? It's that simple. Want to know another cool thing? No, actually two cool things. There is no limit to how much you can earn, and also it's available worldwide. Not only that, it's 100% free. Want to know how it's possible? Let's get started with the video. But before that, if you want to know more about making money online, hit the subscribe button because we upload videos like these daily. TalentDesire.com. So what is this TalentDesire.com about? You may have heard or watched an advertisement about an online earning website named Talent Desire. It is a website which claims that anyone can earn money online by simply doing random jobs such as typing, medical transcription jobs, and online tutoring jobs, and more. Talent Desire offers you a large amount of jobs that you can choose to earn money. But today we will only be concentrating on the typing job. To watch videos about the other jobs, you know what you have to do. Subscribe. That's free too. Let's get back to the point. Now I'm going to show you a shocking thing. Look, you can earn up to $13,000 to $27,000. I bet this would be someone's easiest $27,000. Now, over here, you can see you get paid depending on what level you are on. But don't worry, even if you're just a beginner, you can get paid on the experts level. How, you ask? I will show you step by step. The first way to increase your pay rate is ratatype.com. Basically, it's a typing test website. Now, I want you to take this typing test. Doesn't matter if you're using a phone or a PC. Why I'm asking you to take this test is because this website will give you a certificate based on your typing speed, and guess what? It's free. Why do you need a certificate? It's because it will boost your earning rates. If you want to earn a higher rate like $15 per page, you will need the certificate to prove to them that you can type. This will help you to get accepted much quicker and you can get unlimited job opportunities. Hence, it will allow you to earn more than $400 a day. How to pass this test? Easy. Create an account on ratatype.com. And start your test. When you start typing on this website, it will measure your typing speed and accuracy. To be able to get unlimited jobs and high-paying rates, you need to have a typing accuracy of 98% to 99.9%. The higher your accuracy, the more high-paying rate you get. When you're done with the test, go to your profile, and there you can see that there's a little certificate with your typing speed and accuracy. Click on it and download it. Once you have downloaded your certificate, you are ready to go get your first job at TalentDesire.com. It's easy. Go to TalentDesire.com, scroll all the way down, and click on this red button which says Apply Now. Now this is the tricky part. Watch carefully because the registration page is very much concealed within the website here. Now once you have clicked on the red button, you will find this page. What I want you to do is scroll down below and you will find Step 1. Right below Step 1, there is a red link which says Select an application form. Here you can choose what kind of job you want to do and apply for it. Now follow my steps carefully and scroll all the way down and fill in your details to apply for a job. Write down your name, contact number, country, email address, and zip code. In case you fail to follow these steps, you can watch the video again and try again. Also, make sure you accept privacy policies before you continue. Here, you can see that there are a large number of countries to choose from. Pretty cool, right? Hey, why don't you comment down below which country you belong from? That way we can know which countries our videos are watched in. Alright, now we have to move on to the second step. This is the most important section of your job application. Be very careful here because most people fail to do it correctly. The second step is all about your professional information. Since you are applying for a typing job, the title of your job must exactly be like this one here. And then, choose what time is best for you. Click on this arrow here and you will find a set of times that you can work during the day. If you want to earn $400 every day, always choose all days. The more time you work, the more job opportunities and the more work you get. Now the next step is to choose your payment method. Click on this arrow and you can select between any of the options here. PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, direct deposit, Skrill. As for me, I would suggest you use PayPal because it's easier. Now scroll below and you can see that there's an option for you to enter your current job status. For me, I'll just put self-employed, but you can put anything you want. Now once you have filled in all the details, you then take this option here and put your digital signature in this box and continue to verify your human reCAPTCHA. Once you have verified, click on submit and boom, you are all set and ready to start typing. Once your application has been processed and accepted, you will start receiving typing work. Here look, for one page you can earn $15, for another page another $15, and once you have typed 20 plus pages, it's $400 and maybe even more. With that being said, we are at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Watch our previous videos and support us by subscribing. Come on, subscribing is also free, just like talentdesire.com.